Hello, hello. My name is Samira from Diamond Accounting. This video, I'm gonna show you how you do your own sales tax calculation for the state of Kansas. So if you owe your total sales tax liability to the state of Kansas, it's less than 5,000. You're probably filing it quarterly, and sales tax needs to be paid on the 25th following the quarter end. Let's say first quarter ends March 31st, you're gonna owe your sales tax on April 25th. But sometime in November, government likes to look at tax liability for us and see how much we owed. And if your total tax liability for sales tax is more than $5,000, they're going to send you a letter asking you to file it and pay monthly. Okay, I just want you to be aware that's what's going to happen. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate and basically get to the number that you need to report and pay to the state. I need to warn you here. This is not the best sophisticated way of calculating sales tax because, to be honest, it's such a pain to do it manually. It takes a lot of time. And if you have QuickBooks, QuickBooks can do it for you once you're turn on sales tax and enter the invoice. Click on the box that says calculate sales tax. It does it for you. You don't have to do it manually. But my target market actually here are the ones that are very small businesses, or for any reason they're not doing their invoicing in QuickBooks and they need to know and they need to understand the mechanics behind it, how they can do it themselves. If you're stuck, if you have any confusion, you go to my website, you go to homepage, you book a free consultation with me. I offer one free consultation to my clients, and then I'll see if there's anything I can help you. So if you're very good at Excel and you understand the numbers, you go to DIY bookkeeping and you download the sales tax template I have here. You're going to download this Excel file here. Basically, I created what you need to do, which is very manual, but works very good for small businesses. If you have few invoices that you need to charge sales tax, this is a very cost-effective way of doing it. I have two templates here. So if you are charging your clients a flat fee, including sales tax, you're going to choose version 1 because you're going to just charge them a flat amount and then you're going to calculate the sales tax out of that amount. But if you are charging them your fees plus the sales tax itemized separately, you're going to use this sheet version 2. Okay. For the simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna go through version 1 in this video with you. So what you're gonna do, let's say you have, I'm just making this up. Let's say invoice number 2500, your customer, I'm just gonna put my own name as the customer name. This is my name. This is my address. And this is my zip code. But most of us, we don't know our +4 zip code. So you go to USPS website, you just Google USPS zip code lookup, and then you click on find by address. You're going to type in the address, which is, in this case, it's going to be your customer address. Okay, bingo. It's giving us the +4 digit, which is 7886. We're gonna type it here, 7886. And let's say the invoice amount, including the sales tax, meaning you didn't itemize the sales tax separately, you just included the sales tax in the total invoice, was about $5,000. And because my city, Overland Park, is in Johnson County, I'm just gonna put Johnson County. So this is the county you have to enter. And the city is Overland Park. Bingo. So it's giving us the sales tax rate for the Kansas, which is flat 6.5%. County, Johnson County is 1.475, and city, Overland Park City is 1.375. Where is this coming? It's coming from these two sheets. So I have all the counties in the state of Kansas here, and I have all the cities. Disclaimer here, you also need to go to Kansas Department of Revenue website and verify these rates, because these keep changing, and these numbers are not set in stone. So please do your due diligence, go to the website and find out. So where is the website? You go to I'm gonna link it down below, but also it's available on my website. You go to my website, Diamond Accounting Enterprise, you go to resources, Kansas sales tax rate by address lookup. You're gonna click on it, house number, street number, city, zip code, and the +4. How much, what was the +4? 7886. 7886. Don't need to worry about the taxable amount. Submit. Okay. This is the important thing that you need to know here. This is the code, combined non-food code. If you are providing, if you're not in the food business, you're gonna need this code. If you are in the food business, this is gonna be like JOOVE is gonna be your code. Right now, I'm just talking about non-food businesses because there's more of non-food businesses out there. And it's here, tax entities, it's gonna give you the breakdown. Kansas 6.5, you can compare it. Johnson County, oops. Johnson County 1.475, City of Overland Park 1.375. Okay, and this is the code. So if you're gonna copy this, paste that here under code. Anything green highlighted, it's formula. If it's not highlighted, it's something you need to input. Okay, I just want to add something in here. In Kansas, sales tax rate is based on ship to. If in this situation, I am assuming you're gonna ship something to your customer. Let's say you're selling goods, you're providing service. Anything is done at the customer location. Let's say you have contractors, painters, HVAC, whatever. They travel to the client. Or if you're shipping a good to your client to this address, sales tax is calculated based on the ship to address or service address. If you are a store, you have, or you are working from your home, you have home office, your clients come to you and you provide the service in your place, your business place, either your shop, your store, or your house that you have home office. If the service is done in your business location, that's the address you're going to use for sales tax. For instance, if you had a shop in a different address, I don't know, I'm just making something up. This is Olathe. So let's say you have a shop, this is the shop address, right? And you're gonna put in your zip code, your +4, and you're gonna charge your customer, including sales tax, $4,000, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna look up sales tax for this address. See which one, what's the county and what's the city rate for this address, because you have a shop, the customers come to you. So that should be the basis to see what's the proper sales tax rate. This is actually easiest, very easy, because you just need to deal with one tax rate. You don't have to look up every single client tax rate, sales tax rate, if you're just providing the service in your shop or in your office. Does it make sense? If you have any confusion, please call me. So in the first invoice, which is my name and my address, I'm assuming the service is provided at the customer location. So see, the formula is calculating the net sales before sales tax for us, which is going to be whatever you charged and sales tax taken out. And sales tax is obviously the location combined sales tax times the net sales net sale invoice. So when you want to file your Kansas sales tax return, you're going to need this code, because you need to first open, when you have your business, you need to make sure you have your sales tax opened with the state, and make sure how frequent you need to file it. And when you go in to file your sales tax return, you need to add the code, jurisdiction codes first. And this is where you get these codes I was just showing you. This is going to give you your tax code, combined tax code. And you're going to add these codes, and then you're going to enter this one. On the website, it tells you gross sales, but honestly, it means net sales. The name is just so misleading. So you're going to enter whatever you have on this column, because what they have set up, it's going to calculate the sales tax based on the code you added. So this combined code has this much 9.35 sales tax, and the amount is 427.53. Once you enter this column, the numbers on this column, it's going to do the calculation for you, because you've already assigned the code. Okay, so you're going to assign the code first. You're going to enter the gross sales, which is net sales, in this sheet. You're going to add all of them, and it will calculate how much your liability is. And it should tie with the sum of all these invoices you're going to enter. Okay, hope you find this video helpful. I'm going to link KDOR website that I was just showing you. You can also go to my website under resources, Kansas sales tax rate, look up. It's always going to be here. You can utilize it. It's free. It's not an app, so you cannot download it on your phone and use it on your phone. It's a browser. They don't support the app. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You learned something from this video, and let me know if you have any questions, concerns, and any suggestions for future videos. Have a great rest of the day, and see you later. Bye.